Iran's IRGC have forced a Pakistan-bound container vessel to turn back after it attempted to transit the Strait of Hormuz without complying with legal protocols or obtaining prior permission. Lucknow-based HoverIt Autonomous Systems is developing the Divyastra Mark I swarm drone, with a 500-kilometer strike range and a 15-kilogram payload capacity. Bengaluru-based DCX Systems has secured a 563 crore rupees contract to supply maritime patrol radars for the Indian Navy. Bharat Electronics Limited has signed a memorandum of understanding with Navi Mumbai-based RRP Electronics to jointly pursue opportunities in semiconductors, electro-optics and unmanned systems. India has issued a NOTAM warning for a naval firing exercise for a designated range of 480 kilometers between 30th March and 31st March. The Ministry of Defence is likely to miss the deadline for signing the Project 75I and Next Generation Corvette deals for the Indian Navy within the current financial year. The Indian Army is rapidly integrating drones, establishing training centers at 19 institutions, with a goal of 10,000 drones per corps. Singularity Aerospace developed Tango Charlie HALE UAV has completed Indian Army trials and is expected to be inducted soon. Designed for high-altitude missions along the LAC, it offers 20-hour endurance, 1,000 kilometers range, operates in GPS-denied environments, and can deploy loitering munitions or swarm drones. South Korea has unveiled the first mass production unit of the KF-21 fighter jet, signaling the transition from development to operational readiness in its 4.5 generation fighter jet program with semi-stealth capabilities. India is developing a man-portable electronic intelligence system under the Defence India Startup Challenge, with wideband coverage, real-time threat detection, AI-based analysis, and modular design for tactical battlefield use. The GTRE has now tasked Brahmos Aerospace to deliver fully assembled Manik engines, aiming to streamline the process. The engines previously arrived in kit form, that required assembly at GTRE. With fully assembled deliveries starting from the 10th engine, integration time is reduced, allowing GTRE to focus directly on testing and validation. India is developing a lightweight helicopter-mounted counter-drone system under the Defence India Startup Challenge to counter FPV and loitering drones. It is targeted for platforms like the light combat helicopter, that will boost survivability in high-risk operations and reduce import reliance. The Indian Air Force has launched its first helicopter drop drone project named Vayuban, aimed at enhancing standoff strike capability and reducing risk to aircrew. The system will involve small autonomous drones deployed from helicopters that will be capable of transmitting real-time video and executing precision strikes using a compact onboard warhead. It will have a range exceeding 50 kilometers and an endurance of around 30 minutes. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has showcased a new stealth air-launched cruise missile under its combat air teaming system, featuring stealth shaping, fold-out wings, and extended standoff strike capability. The missile uses deployable wings for long-range glide, allowing launch platforms to stay outside heavily defended airspace. It will be integrated with platforms like Tejas Mark 1A and Su-30, and operate within a networked multi-platform strike ecosystem. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.